Log into your PulseGrowth account and head over to the Marketing tab. Click on the Social Planner tab. This is your main workspace for managing social content. To create a new post, click on New Post, then select Create New Post. Start by choosing the platform or platforms you'd like to publish to, such as Instagram, Facebook, or others. After selecting your platforms, write your post content directly in the editor. Here, you can add text, emojis, images, or videos, and even include locations if needed. You also have the option to organize your posts by selecting a social category, which helps keep your content structured and easy to manage. Once your post is ready, you can choose how you'd like it to go out. You can schedule it for a specific date and time, add it to your queue, set it up as a recurring post, or publish it immediately. This flexibility makes it easy to plan content ahead of time while still allowing you to post instantly when needed. You can select multiple platforms at once if you'd like your content to go live everywhere at the same time. As you're creating your post, you'll notice a preview panel on the right-hand side. This shows you how your content will look on each selected platform, so you can make adjustments before publishing. Next, let's look at the Content tab. This is where you can view and manage different types of content, including CSV uploads, recurring posts, and reviews. It's a helpful area for keeping everything organized and reusing content when necessary. Under the Comments tab, you can see all the comments from every platform you're connected to, all in one place. Each platform is organized on the left-hand side, allowing you to quickly filter and view comments by channel. This makes it much easier to respond to your audience without jumping between multiple social apps. Moving on to statistics, this section gives you insights into how your posts are performing across each platform. Here, you can review engagement and performance data to understand what content is working best and where you may want to optimize your strategy. Under social listening, you can explore trending topics across platforms like Google, YouTube, and TikTok. This helps you stay on top of what's happening online and create content that aligns with current trends and conversations. Now let's head into Social Planner settings. This is where you connect your social media accounts to PulseGrowth. Inside notifications, you can turn alerts on or off for different actions, such as account expirations, approved posts, or requests for approval, so you're always informed about what's happening. You also have the option to create a watermark for your posts. This can be enabled or disabled from the global settings. When turned on, the watermark will automatically be applied to all of your posts, helping protect your content and maintain consistent branding across platforms. And that's it. You've now learned how to create posts, schedule content, manage comments, review performance, explore trends, and connect your social accounts inside PulseGrowth, all from one centralized system. For more detailed guidance, feel free to visit our support portal. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at connectopulsegrowth.io.